Hi guys, hope you're doing good. It's holiday time right now, so I thought it would be a nice time to make us everyone's favorite pizza. So, honey, can you please walk us through all the ingredients?
Hey honey, would you like to walk us through with the ingredients?
Yes. So the first ingredient is
Capsicum.
onions,
Yes.
mushrooms, baby spinach,
Right.
and the first topping, the first sauces are pizza sauce,
Right.
olive oil,
Right. Oh, you got
jalapenos,
some jalapenos as well, is it?
yeah,
Yeah.
and black pepper,
Right. And some
cheese,
shredded cheese, yes.
and a pizza dough.
Oh, is it dough or pizza base? I think it's
Pizza
base.
base.
Oh, right. Okay.
Alright, thank you, honey, for walking us through the ingredients. Now let's get started with the pizza. So, first, I'm going to grab the pizza base. So, we take one here and I put it in here. Now, the next step is to get some pizza sauce and spread it all across the pizza base. So, I'm going to first add some, and then I'm going to grab a spoon and spread it around.
Oh, I think we need a little bit more.
Yeah, we do.
Maybe honey.
Now that we've finished spreading the sauce around our pizza base, it's time we spread some toppings around it. So I'm going to grab a handful of onions and spread them evenly across the pizza base.
Oh, can I do so?
Sure.
Yeah.
Absolutely, Josh.
Seems like you guys got some
And we're going to
skills.
grab some mushrooms.
Making pizza.
And we're going to also spread those around.
Yummy.
Yummy?
Yeah. Now let's grab some capsicum and let's spread that around as well. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah.
At the edge where
I think.
Hey, this looks already very delicious, guys.
Thank you.
Good job.
Yeah.
Now it's time to pour some cheese followed by extra virgin olive oil.
Can I help you?
Sure. We're gonna make this extra cheesy.
Oh yeah.
For the stretch.
Yeah.
More cheese, more fun, more taste, yeah?
Yeah.
And more stretch.
Right. And more stretchy, yes, that's correct.
Oops,
Don't forget
it's a
on this
bit messy.
Don't forget this thing.
Yep.
Not too much. Like
Yeah,
the whole pizza up.
I think we are done.
Yeah, we're done.
Yeah.
Now.
I think this pizza is ready to go in the oven.
No, not yet. We still haven't
What?
put the extra virgin olive oil.
Extra virgin olive oil.
Yeah.
Alright. So how much you reckon we should put in it?
Not too much.
Not too much?
Otherwise,
Just a
it'll
sprinkle?
just get a bit too greasy.
Okay, can you show us?
And too soggy.
Oh yeah.
Don't forget everywhere. Put it everywhere. And I think it's done.
So basically the trick is you have to generously pour this extra virgin olive oil, is it?
Yeah.
Right.
Guys, the pizza is ready to go in the oven.
Oh, I'm so excited. Open the
Let's
oven.
put it in there. And let's close the oven. Now we just have to wait a few minutes.
Okay, as you can see, the cheese has started melting and it's roughly just 8 minutes to go. Yum, yum.